Hello foodies, welcome to Mom's Cafe. Today we will make an Italian dish, that's the pizza basket. For that we need bread slices, either white or brown, vegetables, mixed vegetables, sweet corn boiled, jalapenos, onions, green capsicum. Here comes the cheese, processed cheese, 2 tablespoons of butter, chili flakes, pinch of salt, oregano and pepper. So we'll start by rolling the bread on a rolling board with some pressure. Now we'll take a katori, large size katori, and take a round bread out of it. We have roundels of bread. Now we'll make stuffing. Take a mixing bowl. Put all the vegetables. Put pinch of salt, chili flakes according to taste, oregano, black pepper, and mix it well. And your stuffing is ready. Now we'll take butter. Take 2 tablespoons of butter and mix oregano flakes, chili flakes, and little pepper. Now we have bread roundels, butter mixture, a stuffing and cheese. First we will put butter mixture, apply butter mixture on the roundels evenly. Then put our stuffing. So take your bread roundel, put little cheese in the mixture also, so that flavors of cheese comes over in the mixture also. So let's put our pizza basket in the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, as you can see, it's not more crisp. If you want more crisp, golden crisp on the bread, then you have to broil it for 2 minutes. Put it in the broil for 2-3 minutes. So our pizza basket is ready. Let's take it out after 2 minutes. See the golden brown color of the basket. It's ready. So here is our pizza basket. Let's garnish it with some oregano flakes. You can also garnish it with some sauce, but I like my way like this only. So thank you. Have a nice day.